Hello everybody, my name is Rob Goolsby with Northwest Bus Sales, and today we're going to talk to you about a van. This is the Toyota Sienna ADA compliant minivan. This is a 2023 model, brand new. It has all-wheel drive and it also has the hybrid kit in it. So I won't go into too much on the hybrid kit, but I'll show you the engine compartment. You can see it's got the engine right here, and you see anything in orange, that's a hybrid module. So basically it helps it to be more fuel efficient. Obviously anything orange, high voltage, you don't want to be playing with that if you're a private party working on it in your garage. Again, it's all-wheel drive, and if you come to the side compartment here, you'll see that it has seating in the back for 3. It's got a double seat right here. Passenger and co-pilot seat are up front. And you can also tip this seat up out of the way. So if you have a wheelchair patient that needs to ride, they would ride right here. The back seats are actually really comfortable. You see these levers right here on them, Jack? These things, you pull them and you can adjust the seat reclining on them. Or if you needed to fold the seat forward, you could do that as well. It's got a strap right here that goes into this buckle here. That's for a kid's seat or something like that. It's just a third strap for safety. If we go right here on the sidewall, you'll see it's got USB plugs for all your devices. And up top right here, Jack, you'll see that this is the rear controls for heat and AC. So this is compartmentalized. You have a second heat and AC control for the passenger area and then one for the driver. All right, the good stuff. This is a wheelchair lift vehicle, or wheelchair ramp vehicle. So this ramp, pretty cool. This comes out just like that. Drop it down. And then just as easy, we'll go right back in. This vehicle is made by a company named VMI America. They're based out of Arizona, so they get the vans, they do the conversions, and then they send them to the customers who order them. Oh, I'm going to leave this open. Let's go to the trunk. Here's the back area of the trunk. It's got some wheelchair securements in it. There's also the pull to reclines from the back as well, so you can pull the seats forward and do what you need to do from here. Utility jack and all the other extras that you might need in case you have a flat tire are over there on the side. And Jack, why don't you go in the side compartment here and I'll sit in the cockpit and we'll talk about it. So hybrid, it's actually running right now. You can't hear the motor. All the controls are right here. You got the stuff for your phone. You got Sirius XM radio in it. It also has all the rear controls here as well. So if the driver needed to control the rear heat or whatnot, they can do it from here. Cockpit wise, it's got an adjustable steering, adjustable tilt. Everything is very comfortable in this cockpit. It just seems like everything's at your reach. You got adjustable mirrors over here. The window roll downs for both the front and the rear doors. You got lighting controls here for reading lights. And this door on the left side you can actually open manually by just hitting the button, and you'll see that it opens on its own. That does not do that on the right-hand side door where the ramp's at, because they don't want someone to accidentally hit the button when the ramp's out and damage the door. So, other than that, it's a really comfortable vehicle to drive. Anybody can drive it. It's easy. If you are in need of an ADA vehicle, this particular configuration is one way to do it. You can also take this seat out if you needed to and have an ADA person sit up here on this side. You'll see the Q-string hooks down there to put the wheelchair securements in. So it does have different variations of how you can have people sitting in the vehicle. Also too, instead of if you're financially not wanting to spend a bunch of money on a big shuttle bus or something like that, these come in at a much lower price point. So if you are looking ADA, we can help you. We also have this on the state contract in Oregon and hopefully soon in Washington. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me, rob@nwbus.com, and I thank you for your time.